Greetings. I quit my 9-to-5 job after learning this top secret. Welcome to a realm where your dreams can transcend boundaries, where the power to shape your destiny lies at your fingertips, where true financial freedom can be achieved. Today, we're here to unlock the secrets of owning an online store and the incredible benefits it brings. Your very own digital storefront, open 24/7 to a global audience. The benefits? Oh, they're boundless. You must think in quantity when it comes to owning an online store. Even if you make $1 profit per product, imagine selling that product to 1 million customers. That is $1 million. First, let's talk about flexibility. With an online store, you're not confined by traditional business hours or geographic limitations. Your store operates round the clock, allowing you to embrace the freedom of setting your own schedule. Whether you're an early riser or a night owl, your store adapts to your lifestyle, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions while running a thriving business. Say goodbye to hefty rent payments and utility bills. With minimal infrastructure requirements, you can allocate your resources strategically, maximizing profits and scalability. But perhaps the most rewarding benefit of owning an online store is the opportunity to make a difference in people's lives. From providing quality products to exceptional customer service, your online store has the power to leave a lasting impact, turning satisfied customers into loyal advocates. So, are you ready to embark on this exhilarating journey? Embrace the boundless possibilities of owning an online store and unlock the doors to your limitless potential. Your dreams are just a click away.